Order. Order. The question is that the Honorable Dugu, I made a declaration this morning that when they speak on his or her feet, freeze means you keep quiet. The question is that taking into consideration the findings of the Committee on Appointments in its 5th report on the vetting of the nominees for appointment as cabinet secretaries, laid on the table of the House on Tuesday, 15th April 2025, and pursuant to the provisions of Article 152(2) of the Constitution and Section 3 and 8 of the Public Appointments Act Cap 7F, this House approves the appointment of the following persons as cabinet secretaries. 1, the Honorable Geoffrey Kiringa Ruku to the Ministry of Public Service, Human Capital Development and Special Programs, and 2, Ms. Hannah Wendot Cheptumo to the Ministry of Gender, Culture, the Arts, and Heritage. Will, as a man of that opinion, say aye? Aye. Will those of that opinion say nay? The ayes have it. The other members, we will spend the next few minutes. We have 4 members who had statements. We skip them. So we go back to order number 7 quickly. And we start with the member. Let's call the order.
Order number 7, questions and statements.
The member for Isiolo County. The member for Isiolo County.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Order. Call for me, leader. Proceed.
Honorable Speaker, I rise to request for a statement regarding salary enhancement for teachers in municipality areas in Isiolo County. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 44(2)C, I wish to request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Education regarding the implementation status of enhanced salary packages for teachers within Isiolo municipality. Honorable Speaker, following the 2021 collective bargaining agreement signed by the Teachers Service Commission, it was agreed that teachers working in municipalities will receive increased house allowances. In 2018, Isiolo Town was officially recognized as a municipality. However, to date, teachers serving within its jurisdiction have not received the salary increment as stipulated in the CBA. This delay has adversely impacted their motivation and overall well-being, potentially undermining the quality of education. Honorable Speaker, it is against this backdrop that I request the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Education to appraise the House on the following. 1, the current status of the implementation of enhanced salaries.
Order. Go ahead.
1, the current status of the implementation of enhanced salaries and allowances for the teachers in Isiolo municipality. And 2,